welcome to the preliminary stage of the 2024 National Championship of the National Science and Math Quiz. Competing in this contest are Bolgatanga Senior High School, Tema Methodist Senior High School, and Shama Senior High School. Let's welcome them. Our contestants will introduce themselves to us. So from Bolgatanga Senior High School, we have
Atanga Abraham Akambwa
and
David Asake Amwa.
Bolgatanga Senior High School exited the national championship at the preliminary stage last year after being defeated by TI Amas Fomina. However, by winning their regional qualifiers contest, they have joined us at the preliminary stage. So Bolgatanga Senior High School, tell us how the journey has been for you till now, this year.
Okay, our journey so far has not been easy, but we always believe we can make it, and that is why we are here. We have been here all the time, but this time we hope to make a mark. We all prepare, but the Lord determines the winner, and we hope we will be the winners.
I wish you the best. Tema Methodist is represented by
Abugui Matilda
and
Abednego Alice.
Tema Methodist Senior High School ended their run at the 1/8 stage last year when they lost to Wesley Grammar School through a tiebreaker. They are back this year with the hopes of progressing further. Tema Methodist, tell us how your journey has been.
Well, the journey has not been easy for us, but with God on our side, yes, we are going to do it this year.
I wish you the best. Shama Senior High School is represented by
Blessed Apia Mensa
and
Asari William.
so Blessed and William. Tell us about your journey so far.
Our journey has been an exciting one. By God's grace, we've been able to progress this far. With the support of our school, friends, and family and teachers, we are hoping that we'll get to the farthest that we can.
They are hoping to get to the finals. I wish you the best. So Shama Senior High School was unable to make it to the national championship last year. However, they won their regional qualifiers contest and have joined us at the preliminary stage, aiming for greater success, just as they have told us. You are welcome back, Shama. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOIL PLC and supported by JoyNews, Pepsodent, Due Pay Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Bettermalt, ALX, Kivu, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM, and Girl Mark Foundation. My name is Dr. Mrs. Gladys Naudi Shringa. I'm your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. So, contestants, we have 5 rounds of contest, and each round has its rules. At the beginning of each round, I'll tell you the rules that govern that round. But in all rounds, you're going to answer questions from physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. You have 30 seconds for questions involving calculations and 10 seconds for those not involving calculations. You have just 1 attempt at answering. Should I ask you to repeat your answer, you repeat, you don't change. When you change, your answer will be disqualified. In round 1, You're going to answer questions. Each school will get a question and you answer correctly for a maximum of 3 points. When you are not successful, another school may ring the bell and pick it up for a bonus point when they are correct. But they will lose a point when they are wrong. So be sure of your answer before you ring the bell to pick up anyone's unanswered question or wrongly answered question. Please, don't ring the bell as the school that got the question speaks. You will not be allowed to answer till I have determined the answer to be wrong for you to ring the bell. So I wish you all the best. I'll be starting the round with Bolgatanga Senior High School. Round 1. There's a preamble to all schools, and it reads, a particle initially at rest is acted upon for 5.0 seconds by a constant net force of magnitude F. Find the change in kinetic energy of the particle for the given value of F and mass m of the particle. A particle initially at rest is acted upon for 5.0 seconds by a constant net force of magnitude F. Find the change in kinetic energy of the particle for the given value of F and mass m of the particle. Bolgatanga Senior High School. F equals 24 newtons, m equals 2.0 kilograms. Tema Methodist for a bonus.
3,600 joules.
I'll give to you. Tema Methodist. F equals 14 newtons, m equals 7.0 kilograms. Go ahead, Wallace.
350 joules.
Correct. Shama. F equals 18 newtons, m equals 5.4 kilograms. Go ahead, Blessed.
300 joules.
Incorrect. Tema Methodist.
500 joules.
Incorrect. The answer is 750 joules. Preamble to all schools. Give the major product formed from the reaction of the given alkane with a limited amount of bromine in the presence of sunlight. Give the major product formed from the reaction of the given alkane with a limited amount of bromine in the presence of sunlight. Bolgatanga, 2-methylpropane.
So we have the answer to be 2-bromo, 2-methyl-propane.
Correct. Tema Methodist. 3-methylpentane. Yes, Wallace.
3-bromo 3-methylpentane.
Correct. Shama, 2,3-dimethylbutane. Yes, blessed.
2,3-di-bromo 2-methylbutane.
Incorrect. Tema Methodist.
2-bromo 2,3-dimethylbutane.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Indicate whether the given process is anabolic, catabolic, or amphibolic. Indicate whether the given process is anabolic, catabolic, or amphibolic. Bolgatanga glycolysis.
Okay, so madam, it is catabolic.
Correct. Tema Methodist. Krebs cycle or tricarboxylic acid cycle.
Okay, amphibolic.
Incorrect. Shama, oxidative phosphorylation. Yes, blessed.
Anabolic.
Incorrect. So they are both catabolic. Preamble to all schools. Find an equation in x and y in the form y equals f of x from the given equations. Find an equation in x and y in the form y equals f of x from the given equations. Bolgatanga Senior High School. X equals 2t plus 3, y equals t squared plus 5.
Aye.
Which of you, Abraham?
Okay, we have it to be 4t squared plus 12t plus 6.
Incorrect. Tema Methodist.
Y equals a fraction with numerator the expression x minus 3, that expression squared, and denominator 4, then a fraction plus 5. That fraction plus 5.
No. Tema Methodist. X equals 3t minus 5, y equals t squared minus 6. Yes.
So function y equals a fraction with numerator, the expression x plus 5, that expression squared, and denominator 9, then minus 6.
That's correct. They get their bonus too. Shama, x equals 4t minus 1. Y equals t squared plus 2. Blessed.
Y is equal to a fraction with numerator in a bracket x plus 1 all squared with denominator 16, this fraction plus 2.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. State how a decrease in the given factor affects the value of first ionization energy of atoms. State how a decrease in the given factor affects the value of first ionization energy of atoms. Bolgatanga Senior High School. Atomic radius. Yes.
Okay, so a decrease in the size of the atomic radius increases the first ionization energy value.
I'll give to you. Tema Methodist. Nuclear charge.
Okay. So a decrease in the nuclear charge decreases the first ionization energy.
I'll give to you too. Shama, shielding effect.
A decrease in the shielding effect will increase the first ionization energy.
I'll give to you too. So there's increase or decrease in the ionization energy. You don't need to qualify whether it's first or whatever, okay? Preamble to all schools. State one major allergic reaction that results from human exposure to blue-green algae. State one major allergic reaction that results from human exposure to blue-green algae. Bolga.
So an exposure to blue-green algae will cause sneezing.
Incorrect. I'll give you 2 out of 3. Tema Methodist. Yes.
Okay, so an exposure to blue-green algae can cause itchiness of the body.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. Shama, yes.
Can cause rashes on the skin.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. So these are the answers I was expecting. Gastroenteritis, skin irritations, eye irritations, throat irritations, then difficulty in breathing. That's hay fever-like symptoms. So now you understand why you got 2 out of 3. Calculate the quantity of heat required to change the temperature of an object from 26 degrees Celsius to 51 degrees Celsius, given that the heat capacity of the object is 18 joules per Kelvin. Bolgatanga. Yes, David.
You have 450 joules.
Correct. Tema Methodist. Find the heat capacity of an object whose temperature changes from 18 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius when it absorbs 54 joules of heat. Wallace.
9.0 joule per Kelvin.
Correct. Shama. Find the heat capacity of an object which rejects 95 joules of heat when its temperature changes from 25 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. Blessed.
Negative 19 joule per Kelvin.
Incorrect. Tema Methodist.
19 joule per Kelvin.
Correct. Preamble to the last set. Find the values of the constants A, B, and C given. Find the values of the constants A, B, and C given. Bolgatanga. 25 plus 4x minus x squared equals A minus B, multiplying the expression x plus. Okay, let me start again. 25 plus 4x minus x squared equals A minus B multiplying the square of the expression x plus C. David.
So we have the value of A to be 1, B to be negative 5, and C to be negative 29.
Incorrect. Tema Methodist.
A equals 29. B equals 1. And C equals negative 2.
Correct. Tema Methodist. 17 plus 18x minus 3x squared equals A minus B multiplying the square of the expression x plus C. Matilda.
So I have the value of A to be 54, B to be 3, and then C to be negative 3.
Two out of three. Shama. 8 minus 40x minus 5x squared equals A minus B multiplying the square of the expression x plus C. Yes, William.
We have the value of B to be equal to 5, C to be equal to 4, and A to be 88.
Correct. Tema Methodist, your A should have been 44. That's the end of the first round. At the end of the first round, Shama Senior High School had 11 points. Bolgatanga Senior High School had 14 points. And Tema Methodist had 23 points. So contestants, we are moving to our second round where we have the speed race. And in this round, we have the Prudential Life Speed Race where questions will be thrown to all three schools and the first to answer correctly gets 3 points. Should the answer be wrong, the other two schools get the opportunity to answer the question for 2 points when you are second to answer, or 1 point when you are third to answer. Anytime you get the answer incorrect, you lose a point. Please bear in mind that when the school rings the bell, you have 3 seconds on being called to give your answer, to start giving your answer. So be ready with your answer before you ring the bell. If not, it will go against you. And once you are bailed out for the 3 seconds, your answer is considered wrongly given, and you lose a point. The speed race is sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. For every life, for every future. So we start our second round. Speed race. If the spring constant of an unstretched spring is 640 newtons per meter, what extension of the spring does a 1.6 Newton force produce? Shama.
2.5 by 10 to an exponent of negative 2 Newton.
Incorrect. Tema Methodist.
2.5 by 10 to an exponent of negative 3 meters.
Correct. Find the change in position of a particle that moves from 2I meters to 2K meters. Tema Methodist.
Negative 2I plus 2K, all in meters.
Correct. Express 0.002050 in scientific. Yes, Shama.
2.05 by 10 to an exponent of negative 3.
Incorrect. Tema Methodist.
2.050 by 10 to an exponent of negative 3.
Correct. The average atomic number of an element X is 93.0 AMU. Given that X has 2 naturally occurring isotopes and X1 has isotopic mass of 85.0 AMU, an abundance of 20.0%, determine the isotopic mass of X2. Shama.
95.0 AMU.
Correct. Determine the empirical formula of a compound containing 33.9% copper, 14.9% nitrogen, and 51.2% oxygen. Cu is 63.5. Tema Methodist.
CuN2O6.
Correct. Determine the electrode potential for the reaction occurring when Cl2/2Cl minus with E naught equals plus 1.368 volts and Li plus/Li with E naught equals negative 3.037 volts are connected. Tema Methodist.
4.405 volts.
Correct. What is a 3-nucleotide base sequence in mRNA that codes for an amino acid? Tema Methodist.
AUGen.
Incorrect. Bolgatanga.
AUU.
Incorrect. It's a codon. Which element is essential for pollen germination? Is boron. Which organelle is the site of most ATP formation? Yes, Tema Methodist.
Mitochondrium.
Correct. Find the gradient of the tangent to the curve y squared equals 4 multiplying the expression x plus 2 at the point 2, 4. Tema Methodist.
1/2.
Correct. Solve the logarithmic equation log base 2 of the expression x squared minus 8x plus 20 equals 3. Shama.
It is 3.
You have been billed out. Tema Methodist.
X equals 6 or X equals 2.
Correct. Find a vector in the direction of the vector A equals 5i minus 12j of length 65. Shama.
25i minus 60j.
Correct. That's the end of the speed race. touch it till I ask you to, okay? Thank you. At the end of the speed race, Bolgatanga Senior High School had 13 points. Shama Senior High School had 14 points. And Tema Methodist Senior High School had 43 points. So contestants, we are going to our third round. In this round, all three schools are going to solve a common problem. We call this the problem of the day. It's a problem that you'd have to use complex formulae, complex ideas to solve. It will be coming from one of the 4 areas or subject areas you are looking at, and you have a maximum of 10 points to be acquired for this round. When we read the question, you'd have 4 minutes to put your solution on the screen for all to see. So I wish you the best. Let's turn over our sheets to read the problem of the day. Arrange the following to indicate the steps one will follow in the laboratory to investigate gaseous exchange in a leaf. Arrange the following to indicate the steps one will follow in the laboratory to investigate gaseous exchange in a leaf. A. Add 2 centimeters cubed of the indicator solution to each tube by means of the syringe. B. Arrange the test tubes in such a way that they are equally illuminated by a bench lamp. C. At intervals, shake the tubes gently and leave for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight. D. Cover the outside of test tubes 1 and 3 with aluminum foil. Label 4 test tubes I, and IV. So the D will be I and I. F. Note the color of the indicator in each test tube. G. Place a heat filter in the form of a glass tank of water between the tubes and the light source. H. Record the final color of the indicator in each test tube as seen against a white background. I. Rinse the 4 test tubes and 2 centimeters cubed syringe with a little indicator. J. Set up the tubes using 2 leaf discs per tube cut from a fresh leaf with a cork borer. This is the problem of the day. You don't need to write everything that I have read out. You can just position the letters. So 1 will be this, 2 will be that, yes, so that you continue that way. You have 4 minutes starting now. Stop work. Don't write anything again. You're surprised, huh? Our contestants have put their solutions on the board. I have assessed them and awarded them their points. But this is the solution that the consultant expected from them. So with all that was given, step one was to be E, step 2, I, step 3A, step 4D, step 5J, step 6B, step 7G, step 8F, step 9C, step 10H. Was generous enough. Once you got the step correctly, I give you the point. So at the end, Bolgatanga Senior High School had no point. Tema Methodist had 1 point, and Shama had 3 points. Contestants, we're moving into our 4th round. And in this round, we have the Jupe true or false round. At stake in this round is the Jupe money transfer $20 promo. During this NSMQ season, whenever an alumnus abroad sends money to Ghana using their school's exclusive promo code, Jupe would reward the school with $20 for developmental projects in the school. For this particular contest, Shama Senior High School's promo code is Shama, all in uppercase. Tema Methodist Senior High School, yours is Great Medas, no space, all in uppercase. And Bolgatanga Senior High School Yours is Bolga SHS, no space. So, alumni of Bolgatanga Senior High School, Tema Methodist Senior High School, and Shama Senior High School, this is your opportunity to contribute money indirectly to your schools just by sending money through JuPay money transfer. And when you use the promo codes that I have given, you earn your school $20 for each transfer you make. So the True or False round is proudly sponsored by JuPay Money Transfer. Meet a need, send via JuPay. So, contestants, this is the fourth round. I'll give each school a statement. You tell me whether the statement is true or false. Please change to your school logos. Press the green. Thank you. When you get your statement, you tell me whether it's true or false. When you're right, you earn 2 points. When you're wrong, you lose a point. You may decide not to answer. Then another school answers for 2 points when they are correct or lose a point when they are wrong. I'll be starting with Bolgatanga Senior High School. All the best to all of you. Preamble to all schools. The given equation is the equation of a circle. The given equation is the equation of a circle. Bolgatanga, x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 4x. X squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 4y plus 10 equals 0.
It is true.
Incorrect. Tema Methodist, x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y plus 15 equals 0.
True.
Incorrect. Shama, x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 8y plus 24 equals 0. Go ahead.
False.
Incorrect. Preamble to all schools. In the hydrogen atom, Bolga, the angular momentum quantum number is always smaller than the principal quantum number.
It is false.
Incorrect. Tema Methodist, the angular momentum quantum number specifies the shape and energy of the orbital.
True.
Incorrect. Shama, an orbital with angular momentum quantum number 1 has a dumbbell shape. Blessed.
False.
Incorrect. Preamble to all schools. In xylem parenchyma cells, Bolga, the cell wall is cellulosic and thin.
It is true.
Correct. Tema Methodist, they have prominent nucleus and protoplast.
False.
Incorrect. Shama, they transport photosynthetically prepared food materials from only storage organs to growing regions of the plant body? Blessed.
False.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. A student measures the length of an object 5 times and records her results. A student measures the length of an object 5 times and records her results. Bolgatanga. The student's best estimate of the length of the object is the average of her 5 results.
It is false.
How can this be false?
Very true.
Tema Methodist. If the student makes a 6th measurement of the length of the object, the outcome will be the average of her 5 previous results.
False.
That is correct. Shama. If the student makes a 6th measurement of the length of the object, the average of all her 6 results might be a better estimate of the object's length than the average of her 5 previous results. Blessed.
True.
Correct. Bolga, seawater is a heterogeneous mixture. Seawater is a heterogeneous mixture.
It is true.
Incorrect. Tema Methodist, smoke is a heterogeneous mixture.
It's true.
Correct. Shama, a colloid is a homogeneous mixture. Blessed.
False.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. The gradient to the given curve is always non-negative. The gradient to the given curve is always non-negative. Volga, y equals x cubed.
It's false.
Incorrect. Tema Methodist, y equals 1 over x.
False.
Correct. Shama, y equals x squared. Let's go ahead.
False.
Correct. The given type preamble. The given type of molecule is produced from dehydration reactions. The given type of molecule is produced from dehydration reactions. Bolgatanga Senior High. Proteins.
It is false.
Incorrect. Tema Methodist. Triglycerides.
True.
Correct. Shama. Polysaccharides. Blessed.
True.
Correct. Last set for this round. Bolga. The density of an object is a measure of the quantity of matter in the object.
False.
Correct. Tema Methodist. The denser an object is, the heavier the object is.
True.
Incorrect. Shama, the heavier an object is, the denser the object is. Yes, blessed.
True.
Incorrect. And that's the end of the fourth round. At the end of round 4, Bolgatanga Senior High School had 11 points. Shama Senior High School had 24 points. And Tema Methodist Senior High School had 48 points. Contestants, this is the fifth and final round. In this round, I'm going to give you clues to help you solve 4 riddles. You have a maximum of 5 points to earn for each riddle. If you're able to solve on the first clue, 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Third to the last, 3 points. This round, each riddle comes to all of you at the same time. So you may take turns. If you take a turn and you are incorrect, you sit out of competition for that particular riddle. You may join us if there's another after that. So in this round, we have the Go Riddle Bonanza, which will reward a school that solves 3 or all 4 riddles correctly. At this stage, solving 3 riddles will fetch the team 800 Ghana cedis, while solving 4 riddles will fetch the team 1,200 Ghana cedis. The Go Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by GOIL, Good Energy. I wish you all the best for this round. Earn some money for your teams by answering or by solving 3 or all 4 riddles correctly. You want to ensure your bills are working. Bolga, may I hear yours? Leave it. Tema Methodist. Leave it. Shama. Leave it. So please, when you press once, you leave it. If I don't see, someone else will see and alert me, okay? Round 5. I am a physical property of a conductor. I am not electrical resistivity. Shama.
Electrical conductivity.
No. I depend on size and shape. I am not electrical resistance. I'm the property of a conductor that relates the quantity of charge on the conductor to its electric potential. Who am I, Bolgatanga?
Capacitance.
Correct. We are among the most primitive life forms on Earth. We have been consumed as food or medicine by humans for centuries. We contain various bioactive components, such as phycocyanin, carotenoids, fibers, and plant sterols. We are one of the photosynthetic prokaryotes found in aquatic ecosystems. Yes, Shama.
Green algae.
Incorrect. Our name is usually abbreviated as BGA. Tema Methodist.
Blue-green algae.
Correct. I'm a trigonometric function of the form y equals f of theta. I'm a continuous function on the real line. That makes me either a sine or a cosine function. My period t equals pi. Tema Methodist.
You are tangent.
Incorrect. Shama.
Cosine function.
Incorrect. My largest value of 10 occurs for theta equals pi over 4. I am 0 for theta equals 0. Who am I? Yes, Bolgatanga.
Cotangent function.
Incorrect. I am y equals 10 sine 2 theta. We are a group of elements in the periodic table. We are known for our chemical reactivity. Our name literally means salt producing. Tema Methodist.
Halogens.
Correct. That's the end of the contest. So at the end of the contest, the scores will come. We thank you for joining us for this contest. Do make it a point to join us for the next contest, which promises to be exciting. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Gold PLC and supported by JoyNews, Pepsodent, Due Pay Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Bettermalt, ALX, Kivo, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM, and Gelmark Foundation. The 2024 edition of the STEM Festival will come off from November 7 to 23, 2024. Do join us as we delve into the theme, exploring agri-tech solutions to boost Ghana's economy. So at the end of this contest, Bolgatanga Senior High School ended with 14 points. Shama Senior High School ended with 24 points. And Tema Methodist Senior High School ended with 54 points. So congratulations to you, Tema Methodist Senior High School, for winning this contest and qualifying for the 1/8 stage. If your score ends up being the highest for the day, you win the Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award, which at this stage is worth 1,000 Ghana cedis. I wish you all the best on that. The Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award is sponsored by Pepsodent. Every smile matters. My name is Dr. Gladys Naudeshwinga, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Bye for now.